Hi everyone! Do you know factories today do not just run on machine, but they run on data. Imagine if your camera can spot defects before you notice them. That's where our vision comes in, and that's what we teach at CTI resources. This is not about long lecture or theory that collect dust. Whether you are an engineer, technician, or simply curious about AI, our training is built around one thing, hands-on skill that you can use right away. You will start by learning how to prepare your data the smart way, labeling image, managing dataset, the real foundation of any AI system. Next, deployment. You will see how to train, export, and drop AI into your production line using our Vision Runtime API. No fluff, just plug, play, and perform. Then comes the exciting part, real-time monitoring. Set up industrial cameras, catch defect instantly, and keep your operation running at peak quality. And because results matter, you will evaluate your AI model using accuracy, recall, and F1 score. That way, you will know your system is solid before it goes live. This is not just a training, it is a skill upgrade. You will be ready to tackle Industry 4.0 with confidence and the kind of knowledge companies searching for. Ready to level up? Join us at CTI Resources and transform how you work with AI Vision. Remember, seats are limited. Secure yours today. See you soon. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.